Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find stocks for trade. First, it's crucial to define your investment objectives and understand your personal risk tolerance. Are you looking for short-term gains or long-term growth? Deciding on your trading style, such as day trading or swing trading, will guide your stock selection process. Also, establish a clear capital allocation strategy, perhaps dedicating a specific percentage of your total capital to each trade, like 1 or 2%. Next, leverage powerful stock screeners to narrow down thousands of companies. You can filter by market capitalization, sector, or financial ratios like a price-to-earnings ratio below 20. Focus on companies demonstrating strong financial health, consistent revenue growth, and solid profitability over several quarters. Understanding broader industry trends and a company's unique competitive advantages will also help you identify promising opportunities. Once you have a short list, dive into analysis. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating a company's financial statements, management, and economic moat to determine its intrinsic value. Simultaneously, technical analysis uses charts and indicators, such as moving averages or relative strength index, to predict price movements and pinpoint optimal entry and exit points for your trades. Look at key metrics like price-to-earnings and debt-to-equity ratios. Finally, effective risk management is paramount. Never risk more than 1 or 2% of your total trading capital on a single trade. Always set stop-loss orders to automatically sell a stock if it drops below a predetermined price, protecting your capital. Diversify your portfolio across various sectors and asset classes to mitigate risk, ensuring you are not overly exposed to any single company or industry.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.